Hi everyone, welcome back. Now today I plan to work on the fireplace inside the cottage, so why don't you come inside. So it's this area here, we've got the wood burner on there, that's got to come off, put that to one side. Now beneath this, all this mess, there's some great items here and some lovely granite stones. They've got to be pointed, so I'm going to make a start on those. We'll just have a general clear up in this area. Right, let's get started. Now, this is a fabulous piece. Now this fabulous piece, I was told when I purchased it from the gentleman, the antique dealer, he said this come out of the chateau. It would have hung over an open fire. You've had your various hooks suspended from each one. But it's a real fantastic piece. 200-300 years old. And we've got these, we spoke about these before in a previous video. They're going on the ends of the corners here. Just thought there was nice details just to cover over edges like that. And we have this lovely piece here. Again, all handmade. Either a footrest or handrail somewhere. To one side as well. And we have this magnificent piece. Look at that. Needs a bit of a clean up again, but so nice. Should I need it? I've got the red shade for it. Is that port or starboard? Well, I'll tell you, it's port. I don't even remember what's in this box. Intriguing. Such a long time. Oh, yep, it's the components for the fire. Yep, that can go, the old masterpiece. Looking better already. What have we got here? Some lovely brackets. Nice metal work, some catches. Nice clasp and clasps, just small details that go to really making your project look authentic. Now these are some of my Vid Grenier and Brocante purchases. Lovely handmade ironwork. Okay, let's put all this metal work together. Let's see what's in the box. I'm hoping it's in good condition. I've covered it up well. Lots of sheets over it. But you only need a bit of humidity to get in there. Yeah, look at that. That should warm the place up when we get around to fitting it. Spin it round. So, okay, we've got that box on here, then we know everything is together. We've got a very efficient 7-star fire. Done my research. And I also bought French. And that's what you call an ancient old now, hand forged. Put that to one side. Yes, this is a beautiful granite fireplace. Does need a little bit of work doing to it still. I laid all these huge great stones. Some of these are virtually a foot thick, believe it or not. Yeah, it was a real big big job getting this in, but a well worthwhile one. I forgot what it looks like actually. We'll get it all cleaned up and we'll see what we're dealing with. Well, that's certainly looking a lot better. I'm not finished yet. Time to wake Henry up. Come on, mate. So just a light damp down now. There's beautiful colours in the stone. That's much better now. Okay, the next stage is to fill up the joints. They're quite deep, quite wide, so I think it's going to pay to do this in stages. I may have to beef it up with a bit of granite chipping as well. Right, time for a mix. Sounds like someone's in the field. I'm just going to go and check who it is. Hopefully it's the farmer. And just here you can see the farmer collecting his organic apples. Yes, it's a terrible day to do it, but they don't stop 24/7. Turns it into vinegars and lovely ciders and calvadoses. The region is famous for its pear and apple liqueurs. Dom Frontes, it's a speciality of the area. Yes, we're surrounded by organic orchards, so no pesticides. Yeah, it makes for a really nice product. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start filling up these big deep voids. I'm not going to do the finished joint yet because there's lots of work going to be carried out here and I don't want to damage the surface of it or get it stained. So the stones have to be washed once I've got it pointed up, probably 3/4 of the way at the depth of the joint. And then I'll mop and clean all the stones. And when we're ready, we'll do the final jointing up. Once all the fire's set up above, before we lift the fire, the wood burner on the hearth, I want to get all the flue in first. But for now, still got lots to do. I'm sure we've earmarked that stone for here. Maybe not. Anyway, we've got lots to be getting on with. We'll fill these voids up at the back with stone. pretty much there now with my levels. The next time I point it up, it'll be the finished article to the top. But this has certainly filled up all those low spots and tidied the area up immensely. Well, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.